Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a mirror. The first thing we need to think about when mirroring a part is to make sure that we have a datum plane or something in the middle that we can mirror it about. So most parts are symmetrical, so we'll be using mirror quite a lot of the time in our work. So I'm just going to sketch on that top plane, and I'm going to sketch a rectangle, do it roughly just from here. Click OK. I'm going to intersect this with this circle here, and then I'm going to go and trim back bits I don't want. I don't want that bit or that bit. Okay, so that'll be fine for me at the moment. I'm going to exit out of that. I'm going to extrude this up now, 50mm. And then finally what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a hole from this side here, from that face there. And line that up. And let's put a hole approximately there. And do an extrude cut on that hole that goes all the way through. Okay, so this is my part. Relatively simple, but just imagine it was more complex. I want to mirror it, so I can have it on the side. I've got this plane here, and I can mirror it about this plane. So imagine that's my symmetry plane. I've modelled half of my part, and I want to mirror it about here. So, click on Mirror, top. The first thing it asks you for is what is that mirror plane. So in which case I'm going to click that datum plane in the middle. And secondly, it asks me for the features that I want to mirror. Now you can mirror a part by individual features, just from our feature tree here. Or what's always more robust is actually to go for bodies. So if you go for bodies, that's like everything that you've created to date, that whole body of geometry. So in this case, I'm going to mirror the whole body of geometry. So click on bodies, click on the part I want to, click OK, and there you have the mirrored output. This means that everything I do initially, on the left-hand side, will be mirrored across that midplane. So if, for example, I go into that cut, into that sketch, and say I change the size of it, let's have a look, line that up. There, look in the sketch, smart dimensions, I'm going to change that size from 14 to 18mm, and I'm actually going to move it maybe along a bit to this edge here. Okay, so I've made that change, and as you can see, that change has instantly taken effect over our mirror plane. We don't have all of these features here under the mirror, we've just got a single mirror that mirrors that whole body across the midplane. So when you're doing mirror, make sure you build your half of your component up to a datum plane that you want to mirror it across.